ETM number 1, standard algorithm for addition in Base-5. So just to start off, I want to introduce the blocks that I have. I have 5 to the power of 0, or 1 unit block, 5 to the power of 1, or 5 unit block, 5 squared, or 25 unit block, and 5 cubed, or 125 unit block. So to begin, we need to model both addends in the equation. So we'll start with the first addend here. We have 3 1 unit blocks, 0 5 unit blocks, 2 25 unit blocks, and 1 125 unit block. For the second addend, we have 2 1 unit blocks, we have 4 5 unit blocks, we have 4 25 unit blocks, and we have 1 125 unit block. So now the next step is to regroup the smallest unit in order to get to the next higher place value. So we have, for the first units there, we have 3 plus 2, which is 5, which we can regroup to gain a 5 unit block. So if we regroup these 5 1 unit blocks, we gain a 5 unit block. Which if we write over here, it would look like this. 3 plus 2 is 5, so we're gaining a 5 unit block, but we have 0 1 unit blocks remaining. So the remainder goes at the bottom here. So the next step, we go to the 5 units here. So we have 5 5 unit blocks, which we can regroup and gain a 25 unit block. So if we regroup these 5 5 unit blocks, we gain a 25 unit block, which we can write here as well. 4 plus 1 is 5, so we gain a 25 unit block, and we have 0 5 unit blocks remaining. So then we want to regroup our 25 unit blocks. So we have 7 25 unit blocks, which means we can regroup. If we take 5 of the 25 unit blocks, we can regroup and replace it with a 125 unit block. So we can switch those. But we still have 2 remaining. So if we want to write that down, we have 4 5 6 7 25 unit blocks. So we replaced 5 with a 125 unit block, so we gained a 125 unit block. And we still have 2 25 unit blocks remaining, so we put the 2 at the bottom here. So now we want to see if we can regroup anything else, which we can't. So we have 3 125 unit blocks, which we can see here as well. 1 2 3 125 unit blocks. So we have 3 125 unit blocks, we have 2 25 unit blocks, we have 0 5 unit blocks, and we have 0 1 unit blocks, which we can see in our model here. It lines up with this. So our answer is, the sum is 3,200 in Base-5.